Happy days! Let the holidays begin!
Here you are. Clear out that bag now before you put it away.
No problem, Ma. This summer's gonna last forever.
And the holidays are officially over. This one goes out to all the kids going back to school today.
PJ, get up. The sun is shining and you're back to school, son.
No worries, Ma.
Oh, did someone say worries?
Oh, no.
Now that I have your attention, I have a list of worries. I mean, how do we even get to the school? What if your friends don't like it? And I bet you can't even remember how to write or read. And you defo will not be able to find your school bag.
Has to be under here somewhere.
You'll never find it.
Yes! Got it!
Ah, look who it is! I've been under the stairs all summer and I'm stinking. Rotten sandwich.
Hell yeah!
How am I supposed to go to school?
How am I supposed to go to school? Everyone's gonna call me Smellbag.
Oh, excuse me! Call you Smellbag? Oh, this is bad, Smellbag. I mean, PJ.
See? I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay, remember. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
Up you get, PJ, love. You got this.
I've got this. Ma, stop!
Scut.
Now, here you are.
Nice one, Ma. That smells whopper.
Go on.
All right, lads. What was I worrying about?
PJ! PJ! You have to forget your bag! Your bag! They're counting!